Welcome to Fayetteville Antique Mall, building number 1, where most of the magic happens. Let's go in. 30% off in this booth. Uranium glass basket, some candelabras, more uranium glass. Good grief. So much uranium. 17 on that. Oh, here we go. Lion Bank. I saw one of these when I was in Ohio and wanted to pick it up. This one's $4 and 30% off. So that's coming with us for sure. All right, and let's see here. That's a really nice piece. That's a heavy one though. I don't feel like shipping that. Check out this Imperial slag glass duck. That's $22 and 20% off. That's a bargain. Look at this flavored breadcrumbs tin. That is so fun. Hey, look. Sagittarius angel. Ah, she's got a chipped wing. Hey, that's badass. Check this out. Imperial lamps with shade. Wow, damage. So cool though. I've never seen those. That's a fun bottle. Wow, look at this slag glass lamp. That's gorgeous. $159 too. Love that dress. Oh my gosh, that's fabulous. This vendor always has such cute things. Look at the anthropomorphic clogs Valentine. How cute. And some little hankies. That's a fun one. The children's elephant one. And then over here, more uranium glass. Hey, this wasn't here before. CDA. Holy cow. That's a lot of glass. That's a nice Fenton basket. Whoa, this is exciting. Look at this little duck. That's fun. 17 on that. Should have gotten a black light. I had 2 fall off my keychain back to back and never replaced them. It's unusual. Whoa, check out this opalescent piece. That's gorgeous. $95 on that. And then this, I've never seen a lid on it before. That's neat. Fenton covered jar. The tomatoes. I like how it's color coordinated. You know I'm a sucker for that. 18 on that one. A lot of uranium. Viking. Northwood. Okay, now we're talking. Check out this Jack in the Pulpit. $25. And 20% off. Well, there you go. That's coming with me. That was easy. That's beautiful. Now, check this situation out. Oh man, I really wish I had a black light. I feel like that's probably not uranium. Green Depression. But it's also $5. It's got a small nick on it. And here, that's definitely uranium. Now I'm starting to question everything. I wonder if I can find a black light in here. Look at this Fenton. That's gorgeous. How much is on the Fenton? $105. Whoa, this is nice too. What is this, Cambridge? Yeah, Cambridge with the original sticker even. Chrome craft. That's so cool. I love that cobalt color. Bingo bag. All right, definitely an eclectic booth. That's an interesting lamp base. What's this green piece? Interesting. Ooh, look at this purple slag. That's gorgeous. It's like opalescent too. I bet that's an older one. That's only 22. And what's this jar back here? Art glass jar, 35. That's really pretty. Wow, look at those giant German bisque dolls. Oh my gosh, let me squeeze back here. Those are fabulous. Holy cow. Oh my gosh, it's only, does that say $700 150 or 75. I cannot tell. I'm going to assume it says 75, which is a crazy deal. These used to sell for so much money. Yeah, that's 75. Wow, how cool. I'm tempted to just get that, honestly. It looks like a nice, like, peach blow rosaline shaker. Some really nice pink glass in here. Really nice everything in here, let's be honest. Look at this jar. And I love these etched decanters. Oh man, look at this beaded purse. That's gorgeous. That's only $40 too. It's got some damage as to be expected, but still. All kinds of Fenton here. I like the one with the bluebirds, $30. 25% off. That's a glower too. This one's really pretty. The Rose Bowl, $30. Really good prices. Now this is everything. Victorian Bride's Bowl. Look at the color on that. Oh my God. All right, here's one of my favorite booths. This is clearly the first thing I see. Check this out. Fitz and Floyd Japan, $15 and 20%. Well, there you go. That's definitely coming with me. I just looked over here. Really beautiful Fenton Rosaline bird. I actually have that Bride perfume bottle right now. I haven't done anything with it. That basket is insane. Stevens & Williams, $90 and 20% off. Lots of other little perfume bottles. The Fenton Burmese Bear, that's at $60. I'm really excited about this though. I've never even seen that before. Over here, that's a pretty one. And then this, good grief, look at this chunk. Costa Boda at $26. I feel like I've liked a lot of Costa Boda recently. It's so heavy. Oh my gosh, that's like a workout just picking that thing up. Really nice Fenton plum vase. That one's at $40. And then little Viking pink. That's nice. That's only $14. I'm kind of overwhelmed right now. Honestly, check this thing out. That's different. That's only $12 and 20%. Should have gotten a basket. What's happening over here? Oh my gosh, there's more. There's more. Okay, first of all, this Fenton is gorgeous. That's at $39. And then this looks like tapered glow. What is that, Viking or Allie Smith? I can't remember. These are coming with me. These are $30. Takahashi. Holy cow, those are cool. 20% off. This is a really nice green opalescent, $26 and 20%. Yeah, I need a basket. No way. It's missing one, but look at the Beatles bobbleheads. $30 and 20% off. That is a steal. Definitely gonna go ahead and grab that. And then look at the mother of pearl opera glasses. Those are gorgeous. $27 and 20% off. But the Beatles, those are coming with me for sure. That's a great price. All right, I'm making my way back to where I was. What is? Oh God, that thing weighs 1,000 pounds. I barely lift it. And what is this? Juicer. Interesting clay person here. I kind of feel like this is a deal. Although the last time I had one, I had it in white, and it did not do well. Even though green's obviously more desirable than white. What is this? This looks Polish. Can't tell what's going on there. And then over here, lots of uranium. It's a little hand dish. That's sweet. Oh, that's a nice one. That one's $8 and 20% off. I'll take that. And then here, slag glass hen-on nest. That's $18 and 20% off. I'm gonna take that too. Oh my gosh, I love this high heel shoe. That's so fun. Now, I was so distracted by the Fitz and Floyd, I didn't even see this. What is that? That's weird. Looks like a new piece, but still very different. There's actually a piece back here that's bothering me. Whoa, what is this? That's weird. Jade Rabbit. That's super strange. It's $18.50 and 20% off, 25% off, excuse me. I think I'm actually going to take a chance on that, even though it's contemporary. It's really weird. It's this piece that's bothering me. So on the glass train this Thursday, I'm bringing predominantly Victorian antique glass and some high-end studio. I have a couple spots I could fill. This one's $40. It's a really unique color, and it's also 25% off, so it's $30. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and pick this up. That is just so pretty. Well, this vendor's clearly been around. Holy cow. Look at that Burmese Fenton lamp. Actually, I'm gonna start here, because sometimes I find some really crazy stuff here for cheap, and I don't want to be distracted by it. Look at that. That's a really nice candlestick. And that's a gorgeous one too, the hand-painted glass vase. Man, yeah, I've pulled some crazy stuff out of this booth. I actually pulled out an 1800s Moser flycatcher, believe it, of all things. I didn't sell it. I actually ended up trading it to somebody for some other stuff. Love that cast metal ashtray. Risque is one of my favorite things to find. Beautiful Fenton Jack in the pulpit. This candy jar back there is insane. It's this vase, though, that really grabs my attention. Bohemian. It's like at 500 bucks. Some really beautiful glass in here. Look at this blue Burmese fairy lamp. Oh my gosh. Now here, that's intense. That looks acrylic almost. I can't see what the price is. I'm sure it's a small fortune. Back there, that Murano piece is amazing as well. And then whatever this is, what is that cameo vase? That's different. Now this is amazing. Look at these Murano pieces. $169 on that one. And the orange piece back there, that's really pretty. Some amazing paperweights. There's that rainbow one I saw. $59 on this gold one. What is that? Wish I could see what it is. I think it's LeVay, actually. Yeah, it's LeVay. No wonder I like it. I seem to really gravitate towards LeVay stuff. Speaking of insane, look at that Venetian piece back there. Oh my gosh. Out of my range, but still, what is this thing? That's weird. Check. That's really cool. $68 and 25% off. That's definitely different. Here's another check art glass piece that's really different. Signed card holder. That's cool. Never seen that before. And more paperweights. I'm not a big paperweighter, but every once in a while I see one that really grabs my attention. Like, look at that crazy thing with the purple. Good grief. It's a crazy shape. I think that's the appeal. And then up there, it looks like a Smith & Rhea. I love that style. In the back, that's a nice one. And then here, that's insane too. It's really packed in there. Another Viking owl, but I'm actually looking at this. Looks like Kelsey Pilgrim? No, it's Robert Held. That's really different. Does that say $30? I think I'm gonna need a key for that. That's really cool. And another Murano piece back there, the pulled feather, that's at $59. It's actually this little candle like that with the candle, the crystals on it. I wish I could see how much that is. That's really neat. It doesn't matter. I'm gonna get in there anyway to pick up that Robert Held piece. I think that's really different. And then here, especially with the discount, that's a good price. And wonder if something's wrong with it. This is an insane decanter. And then what is this perfume bottle? That's different. I don't think that's anything, but it's really nice looking. All right, but this I'm actually obsessed with. That is so different. Interesting. I'm also kind of curious how much he has on the Lundberg bells. That tumble up is insane too, the geometric one with the kind of ombre effect. And then what's this dish? That looks like it's gonna be signed. Yeah, it is signed. That's so neat. For $10, I kind of feel like we're just gonna get it and do the research later. I have a piece kind of like this right now, actually. That's really nice. Every once in a while you can find a deal in this booth. You just have to really pay attention. It's kind of fun though, because it forces you to look at stuff that you might not normally look at, because a lot of the prices are so high. All right, back at it. There's a lot going on in that booth. 35. Oh, firm. Dang, I was gonna say this vendor's running 30% off, but it's marked firm anyway. I did grab one of the blue Lundberg bell. That was at $65 and 25% off. Really nice. And then there was a little confusion about the glass heart dish, so we're gonna call about that. And I like what's going on back here. Little perfume bottle. That's sweet. I feel like it's easy to miss something back here. I love all the skunks. Ooh, look at this tumbler. That's gorgeous. $8. And then the rose bowl. That's at 25 and 20% off. Little creamer, Canal. The Jack in the Pulpit's nice. That's only 30, cased. Wait a minute. Check this situation out. What are these brooches in here? What's that? Lucite candles. Those are at $40. Great for a collector for me. People kept asking me to pick them up, and I went against my gut and paid about that for some, and they didn't do well, like 2 times in a row, so I'm not doing it again. This is a really nice Fenton one, 35 on that. That's a deal, especially with that 20%. Little pink spaghetti poodle. It's got some wear, but it's still a pink poodle. Oh, it's missing its family. Poor thing. Lots going on in here. I'm being summoned for this cat teapot. It's got a crack on it. And then over here, check this thing out. That's really different. See Butley jars, signed, 95 firm. Check this one out. Oh, it's marked firm. Again, I thought it was gonna be 50% off. I feel like that might be Czechoslovakian, but it's 65 firm, doesn't matter. Well, that's freaking neat. Look at the super old Mickey Lusterware Japan tea set for the child. That was a weird way to put it. Children's tea set. So cool. Hey, check this out. That's an awesome haul piece. I've never seen it in a dish like that. That's only $13. The butterfly pattern is usually pretty popular, so I'm gonna go ahead and take that. And it's heart-shaped. Now, over here, what is this weird cactus thing? That's weird. Now that's gorgeous. That Murano piece, that's only $30 and 50% off. So I'm gonna have to get a key for that as well. All right, well that did it for me. I spent $234 in there. It's not much time left till 5 o'clock, so I think I'm gonna pop in building 4. I don't know if I'm gonna film in there. I'm trying to get home and get ready for my whatnot. I'll see you guys there.